Smart people don't think better. They think longer, more angles, more scenarios, more consequences. And that's the problem. If your mind never shuts down, this video is for you. On Mentops, we don't praise intelligence. We diagnose mental systems. Intelligent minds see patterns. They connect dots faster. They predict outcomes earlier. But here's the flaw. Your brain was built to solve, not to decide. The smarter the mind, the more possibilities it generates. And without a stopping rule, it never exits the loop. This is not anxiety. This is an unclosed process. Overthinking feels productive. It feels like control, like preparation. But depth moves forward. Loops move sideways. The Stoics knew this. Thinking without action is not wisdom. It's hesitation disguised as analysis. Your mind is not broken. It is overqualified for a task that needs a system. Here's the silent cost. Smart people trust their thoughts, so they argue with them, negotiate with them, wait for clarity. But clarity does not come from thinking. It comes from execution constraints. Without rules, intelligence turns inward, and the mind starts attacking itself. If you overthink, it's not because you're weak. It's because your mind has power with no operating limits. Mentops exists to install those limits. Subscribe for more mental updates, and check the link in the description for the full guide and access to professional help if you need it. Intelligence needs structure, not more thinking. This is Mentops.